Hey fellow scholars, this is a special 5 in 5 episode. Today I'll share with you 5 shocking AI secrets they don't want you to know. But before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to never miss any of our future videos. Now let's get started with the countdown. Number 5. In the intro, we saw a super fast montage of AI-related visuals, and now it's time to remove the curtain. What you've just seen was an example of how current AIs are considered to be black boxes. That is, many AIs work as a black box. It means that even though they give us answers, they cannot really explain why they think that their answer is correct. For instance, you might feed tons of news articles to an AI system that predicts whether a loan applicant will be successful or not. The AI learns from these examples and makes predictions. However, if the AI rejects someone's loan application, it wouldn't be able to explain why it thinks this person would not succeed. It's like a genius colleague who solves complex problems but never shows their work. Number 4. Now hold on to your papers, fellow scholars, because things are about to get really weird. You see, AI models can learn and generate entirely new knowledge which wasn't present in the original training data. So they can hallucinate. Now don't worry. I know it sounds scary, but bear with me. For instance, if you ask an image generator to create an image for pancake breakfast in space, it might create an image of pancakes flying around in space instead of showing an astronaut eating pancakes. Why? Because it has learned from its training data that astronauts wear helmets when in space, and thus it doesn't need to draw one since the helmet would cover the pancakes. This kind of makes sense, right? Okay, I admit that's a little bit confusing. Now, I know that the ability of AI is to hallucinate sounds strange, but it is actually one of the key elements behind the amazing creative works that you see in many recent experiments. Number 3. Have you ever heard the term neurons that fire together, wire together? Well, it's similar here. In the case of AI, the connections between AI's neurons change as they are exposed to more and more data. These changes result in physical alterations within the computer hardware. Wait a second. Does this mean that computers are literally reshaping themselves as they learn? Exactly. Number 2. We are surrounded by AI. Whenever you use a search engine, whenever you receive a recommendation, or whenever you chat with a chatbot, you interact with AI, but there is something else happening in the background that we don't notice. AI systems are constantly analyzing and generating new data that is then used to train other AI systems. This means that AI is becoming increasingly self-referential. But why is this happening, and why is it important? Because by analyzing and generating new data, AI can help us better understand how people use language, how images are perceived, and how information is processed. This in turn can help us develop new techniques for measuring intelligence and understanding how the human brain works. And finally, number 1. If you think that AI is going to save us from making difficult choices, well, think again. AI is already facing ethical dilemmas, and we haven't even deployed it in areas requiring high-level decision-making skills yet. Take, for example, autonomous vehicles. They have to make split-second decisions in accidents. How should they decide? Should they swerve to avoid hitting a pedestrian or protect the occupants of the vehicle at all costs? These are tough choices, and we haven't yet figured out how to program these decisions into AI. Well, fellow scholars, this concludes our episode on 5 shocking AI secrets they don't want you to know. What do you think about these revelations? What other AI secrets would you like us to explore in future episodes? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. And if you're still hungry for more, we have plenty of other videos for you to explore. Thanks for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care.